So I wasn't going back and fixing it. Boom. Hi you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashanti. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Today I'm doing a maintenance vlog. So I did my hair, I did my nails and my toes and some skincare. So if you're interested, keep watching. Judge your mammy, don't judge me. So today we're gonna start the hair. I'm doing it myself because I'm not gonna keep it in long whatsoever. But it needs to get done because I can't keep walking around like this. My hair is not the cleanest. I just washed it a couple of days ago, so I'm not gonna wash it again. And like I said, it's not lasting that long, so got 4 packs of this. I don't know if that's how many I need, but that's how many I bought. I bought a small edge booster because I have some styling jam already, and I have like 3 of these. I don't know why I never buy the full one. I guess because when I travel, I like the smaller ones. And this is the coconut banana scent. But I couldn't smell it in the store. Not bad. And I'm not the best braider, but we gonna look decent. I still have to dip my ends, but this is how it came out so far. My parting is crazy. These big 2 chunks at the bottom. So I wasn't going back and fixing it. Boom. So I'm gonna take some of my foam and lotion. And we're gonna take some pump it spray, pump it up. So tomorrow, I'm gonna be doing my nails and my toes, and probably a facial. Okay guys, it's time for the nails. I popped this off yesterday because it was coming off while I was doing my hair. I'm about to pop this one off, and this one has cracked. I've had a long week. Wait, where's my Metro card? This nail head fell off previously. Little nail hack. If your whole nail falls off, take some gel and then place it like it's a press on, put it under the lamp, and boom. Boom. So let me try and pop this off. I'm scared. This gonna hurt. Anyway, don't do that at home. This is from 6/30/2012. Wow. I am cutting these down because I'm tired of them. So I'm gonna do that first. Okay, so I finished filing and what else to do? I did my cuticles off camera. I didn't really have to cut too much. and I need to see, so I can't record and see my cuticles at the same time. And I also cut my nails under there because I hate when it starts lifting. Wow.
Hello, people. How are you all doing today? Today we have a video on nails.
Not even in the screen.
And my feet.
Do not put your foot up here. Can you leave?
Okay.
I shaped, filed, did all that good stuff, and this is how he looking now. Okay. So I'm gonna be using these gel polishes today, and this is on the color 036 and 022. I'm gonna use both of them. We're back, guys, for another day of maintenance. Today I'm going to do my toes. I had to go to work today, so I had to wait till I got home. And please excuse my patch on my face. Oh my gosh, I had a pimple. It wouldn't pop. I got a little mighty patch on it, but what the heck? Look. That is wild. And I also made me a strawberry banana smoothie with some oat milk. And let's get to these feet. So this really should be quick because I just got my feet done not too long ago. And I already knew that I wanted to come home and put Polygel on it. Because if they put acrylic, I don't have acrylic here to like do a fill-in just in case. So just come home, put some Polygel on, call it a day. Boom, toenail. And there you have it, toenails. This one a little long, but you know, shape it up a little bit. But this one look like it ain't even got nothing on there. Natural, okay. Ashy too. Oh no. I'm from washing my hands. COVID. You can't tell me I ain't do that. My toes look good. Stop playing. She playing today. update on my skin. Had a really bad breakout on my cheek area and my forehead due to medication. So I'm trying to get my face back on routine. So I'm not going to use a facial today or sheet mask or anything. I'm just going to do my regular routine. I'm going to take one of these Dr. Dennis Cross peels. I did try the Moon Juice acid toner as a substitution for this one because it's just so expensive. But I don't think my skin looked good at all. I saw results, but I was also having like little small rashes around my mouth. And I'm going to be filming an updated skincare favorites because I have some products that I've been using I want to talk about. This camera is making all my blemishes fade away, and I'm trying to show my imperfections. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.